Hello tool lovers, welcome to the channel. Don't skip this video because today we're showcasing the top 22 game-changing woodworking tools on Amazon for every budget. From smart DIY gadgets to professional workshop upgrades, these amazing tools can save time, boost accuracy, and make every project easier. Stay with us until the end and discover the next must-have tool for your collection.
Woodpeckers SF Pro Router Table Fence. The Woodpeckers SF Pro Router Table Fence is a high-precision upgrade built for serious woodworking accuracy. Designed for detailed joinery, cabinetry, and furniture work, it features three-way micro-adjustments with 0.001-inch graduations for exact positioning. The universal design fits most router tables and allows tool-free adjustments. Built from solid phenolic with a low friction surface, it supports jointing, shaping, and repeatable cuts with exceptional stability, smooth motion, and reliable dust collection. Lee Valley Veritas Pocket Layout Squares. The Lee Valley Veritas Pocket Layout Squares are compact, ultra-precise tools made for fine joinery and tight workshop spaces. Machined from solid aluminum with a matte black anodized finish, they feature crisp, laser-etched markings on both sides for easy visibility. The offset base allows quick, accurate mortise layout on common stock sizes, while relieved corners ensure perfect seating. Built-in protractor scales make angle marking fast and reliable. Axminster Woodturning Tool Rest System. The Axminster Evolution Woodturning Tool Rest System is a premium modular solution built for precision and flexibility. Its mix and match design lets turners swap rest bars and posts to suit different lathes and projects. CNC machined stainless steel bars resist rust and damage, while the polished round profile ensures smooth tool glide with minimal chatter. Multiple lengths, bowl shapes, post sizes, and smart accessories make it ideal for accurate, vibration-free wood turning. DOVAMAN Sliding Miter Saw. As of 2026, the DOVAMAN Sliding Miter Saw lineup includes the 10-inch DMS 01A and 12-inch DMS 03A, built for precise, multi-material cutting. Both models feature powerful 15-amp motors, smooth sliding rails, laser guides, and strong safety features. The DMS 01A excels with dual speed control for wood and metal, while the DMS 03A adds dual bevel cutting and extended capacity for complex compound cuts and larger workpieces. Woodpeckers Clampzilla. The Woodpeckers Clampzilla 3.0 is a heavy-duty, 4-way panel clamp that replaces multiple bar clamps with a single versatile tool. Its self-centering scissors joint delivers nearly double the vertical clamping pressure while keeping panels perfectly aligned. A single Acme threaded screw controls all forces, generating over 6,500 pounds of pressure. Machined in the USA, it handles stock from 5/8 inch to 4 inches thick, comes in 18-inch, 38-inch, and 50-inch sizes, and offers modular upgrades, a junior version, retrofit kits, and a specialized clamp racket storage solution. Woodpeckers Stair Tread and Shelf Gauge. The Woodpeckers Stair Tread and Shelf Gauge is a precision layout tool for perfect fitting panels between walls, including stair treads, risers, and built-in shelving. Its pivoting ends and adjustable bevels instantly create one-to-one templates, compensating for out-of-square walls. Modular aluminum construction measures openings from 17 inches to 64 inches, with flip stops for consistent edge reference. Ideal for stair renovations, cabinetry, and trapped panel installations, it ensures accuracy, saves time, and eliminates guesswork in professional or DIY woodworking projects. Ecarke Cordless Biscuit Joiner. The Ecarke Cordless Biscuit Joiner, model FPCAG001, is a compact high-speed tool perfect for furniture assembly and cabinetry. Compatible with Makita 18-volt LXT batteries, it delivers 11,000 RPM for clean, fast cuts in softwood, hardwood, and plywood. With 6 adjustable depths, angles from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, and a precision fence system, it ensures consistent slots. Lightweight at 6.85 pounds, it features an ergonomic handle, metal base, and dust bag. The kit includes 80 biscuits and a dust bag. Batteries sold separately. PEC Tools Combination Square Set. The PEC Tools Combination Square Set is a high-precision measuring and layout system made in the USA, ideal for woodworking and machining. Available as 2-piece or 4-piece sets, it includes a hardened steel machinist's blade, square mitre head with bubble level and scriber, protractor head, and centre head, with plus or minus 0.004 inches accuracy, multiple graduations, durable finishes, and versatile functions like squaring, marking, and leveling. This set ensures precise measurements, smooth operation, and long-lasting reliability for any workshop. Ally Tools Wing Divider. The Ally Tools Wing Divider is a versatile, professional-grade tool for woodworking, metalworking, leathercraft, and drafting. Made from durable high-carbon steel, it features hardened needlepoint tips for precise scribing and an integrated pencil holder for drawing large circles. The lockable wing allows repeatable measurements between 0 degrees to 90 degrees. Available in 8 and 12-inch models, it handles circles up to 31 inches. Each kit includes the divider, pencils, and a metal sharpener, making it perfect for accurate layouts and creative projects. Pony 4-pack corner clamp. The Pony 4-pack quick release. Corner clamp set is a lightweight spring-loaded solution for fast, accurate right-angle joints in DIY and light woodworking projects. With one-handed operation, adjustable jaws, 3/16 inch to 7/8 inch, and 14 pounds of constant clamping force, it holds boards securely without marring surfaces. Ideal for picture frames, boxes, or shelves, this durable nylon set supports variable thicknesses and multiple joint types, making small projects easier, faster, and precise. Not for heavy-duty furniture use. Johnson Level Mach 1 Square. The Johnson Johnny Square registered Mach 1 is a professional 7 and 1/4 inch rafter square introduced in 2025, designed for precision and speed in framing. Its Smart Mark cutout system lets users mark standard lumber sizes from 1 inch to 6 inches and LVLs accurately, while scribe notches spaced every 1/8 inch aid ripping and layout. Built from CNC machined aluminum with an integrated level and easy read markings, it includes standard angle slots, roof pitch V notches, and a 1-inch heel for versatile, professional woodworking and construction use. Railer Keychain Bit Holder. The Railer Keychain Bit Holder is a compact high-durability storage system for 1/4-inch hex shank tools, perfect for professional demolition and high-altitude work. Its pullback collet prevents accidental bit ejection, while push-to-connect and ball detent locking allow quick, secure, one-handed loading. Made from aluminum or stainless steel with knurled grips, it doubles as an emergency nut driver. Lightweight colour-coded sets attach via carabiner, making bit organisation, portability and accessibility effortless for any job site. Milescraft Trim Carpentry Aid. The Milescraft Trim 45 Trim Carpentry Aid, Model 8401, is a versatile tool for precise door and window trim installation. Its adjustable reveal slide, 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch, ensures consistent measurements, while the 45-degree mitre and 90-degree square heads simplify cutting and alignment. Dual tape measure slots with magnets enable solo measuring, and built-in stick pins and clamp pads support accurate marking and securing. Made from durable ABS plastic, it's lightweight, compact, and perfect for accurate, efficient trim work in 2026. Rockler Drawer. Front installation clamps. The Rockler Drawer. Front installation clamps, item number 54804, make aligning and securing false drawer fronts effortless. With dual action micro adjusters, locking nuts, and a check while clamped design, they ensure precise, repeatable positioning. Nylon capped pads protect finishes, while large knobs allow simple operation. Compatible with undermount slides, these heavy-duty steel clamps fit drawers up to 1 1/8 inch thick and are sold as a left-right pair, making them essential for accurate professional-looking cabinet and drawer installations. BANGGOOD ENJOYWOOD Table Saw. The BANGGOOD ENJOYWOOD Table Saw. Accessories lineup focuses on precision upgrades rather than full table saw machines. ENJOYWOOD offers high-quality mitre gauges, joinery and coping sleds, advanced safety feed systems, and versatile profile fence add-ons. Built from durable aluminum alloy and stainless steel, these tools enhance accuracy, stability, and safety. Designed for serious hobbyists and detail-focused woodworkers, ENJOYWOOD accessories deliver professional-level control and reliability at an accessible price point. JessEm Clearcut TS Stock Guides. The JessEm Clearcut TS Stock Guides are premium table saw accessories that replace traditional featherboards to improve safety, accuracy, and feed control. Angled rollers apply constant downward and inward pressure, keeping stock tight to the fence while reducing vibration. One-way bearings instantly resist kickback, while non-marring urethane tyres ensure smooth traction. Built from CNC machined aluminum with tool-free adjustments. These guides deliver cleaner cuts, safer operation, and efficient workflow for serious woodworkers. Fulton Cabinet Scraper Burnisher. The Fulton Cabinet Scraper Burnisher is a classic high-leverage tool designed to properly sharpen and turn the burr on card scrapers. It features a hardened, polished high-carbon steel rod that easily rolls a clean, consistent hook without slipping. The comfortable hardwood handle provides excellent control and pressure. Ideal for flattening old burrs and creating new ones, it works smoothly on flat, curved, and beveled scrapers for fine surface finishing. Hilti Nuron Reciprocating Saw. As of 2026, Hilti's Nuron platform includes 2 cordless reciprocating saws built for different job demands. The SR622 is a heavy-duty demolition saw offering a 32mm stroke, 2600 SPM, active vibration reduction, dust extraction compatibility, and job site safety features. The compact SR422 is designed for one-handed use, delivering 3000 SPM with excellent balance for tight or overhead cuts. Both run on Hilti's 22-volt Nuron system with cloud-connected tracking and tether-ready safety. Kreg KDRV-FLIP Quick Flip. The Kreg KDRV-FLIP Quick Flip is a versatile dual-action joinery tool for advanced woodworking tasks like false drawer fronts or corner face joins. Its two-sided design lets you drill a pilot hole with a 3/8" flat bottom counterbore on one side and drive Kreg screws with the number 2 square bit on the other. Adjustable depth, impact rating, and a quick change 1/4" hex shank enhance compatibility. Built with durable metal and an ergonomic grip, it ensures precision, efficiency, and professional level performance. Kreg Mortise Mate Loose Tenon Jig. The Kreg Mortise Mate Loose Tenon Jig, KLTJ 100, released in late 2024 and widely available in 2026, is a drill-powered system for creating precise mortises without a router. Featuring an auto-indexing step-down mechanism, micro-adjustment screws, and an integrated work surface, it ensures consistent, accurate joints. Compatible with Kreg hardwood tenons, carbide-tipped cutters, and standard drills, its durable metal construction and dust collection port make it a versatile, affordable alternative to high-end loose tenon systems like the Festool Domino. Laxia Mini Circular Saw. As of 2026, Laxia offers a range of compact mini circular saws in both corded and cordless versions, designed for precise, one-handed cutting in wood, soft metal, plastic, and tile. The 20-volt cordless model, GA97630, features a 3,400 RPM copper motor, laser and rip guides, and a 4.6-pound ergonomic design. Corded models offer consistent power with adjustable depth, bevel, and dust management, making GLAXIA mini saws versatile, portable, and beginner-friendly tools for DIY and professional projects alike.